Hello, this is Christy. A cool new feature launched by Riverside just this week is to do with video reviews. What does this do? If you work with clients, you edit videos for them or podcast episodes, even video or audio, you can now send a review link to your client to watch the video, leave comments, give you feedback, and then you can jump right back in, make those changes, and they can review again. It's a great feature that I've been wanting to have for a long time, and I'm paying subscriptions for other tools such as Frame.io and TechSmith Review and others who have this feature where you can upload a piece of video or a file and multiple files, and your clients can review those and comment on them. Well, now this feature is inside of Riverside directly in your editor, and you don't even have to download anything. You don't have to export your project. Everything works in real time. Let me show you how it is. So I'm here in this edit with my friend Chris Menard, my usual project. So let's say I finished editing this one. It's all ready to go, but I would like Chris to have a look at this video and see if there's any feedback he has about it. Well, this new feature in Riverside is found under the share button in the top right corner now, and it's called Share for Review. If you click on that, it generates a link automatically. It's a unique link that nobody can guess. This link doesn't require login. It doesn't require any downloads from your clients. You can just send them this link. You copy it right here. And now let's go to another window in another browser where I can show you what the view looks like for your client. I'm going to go to an incognito window just to make sure I'm not logged in into anything. So I'm going to test this now. Paste the review link and press enter. You can see the view is similar to your editor, but slightly reduced in functionality. You don't have the timeline. You don't have the tools on the sidebar. You can't make any changes or any edits, but you also are not logged in. So how can Chris now provide some feedback? Well, very easy. Just make a selection like this. And let's suppose he doesn't agree with the intro being too long, and he made a selection. And then there's a pop-up showing up saying comment. You can press Option C or Alt C, but just click on this comment button. And the first time he's trying to comment, he needs to provide an email and a name just so we know who's commenting. So let's say here, Chris Menard, and just Chris at example. Here we go, start commenting. And there's a pop-up showing up. What is your comment? This intro is too long. Let's condense it a bit. All right, click comment. And we're done. You see the comment submitted here by Chris Menard. It's got a little avatar there with a C in it. And let's add another one. Going down here and adding another one here. Click comment on the pop-up and say, let's reduce the length of this to comment. There we go, 2 comments. Now, I go back in the editor just to see the feedback. Going back into my editor, I've got all the functionality here. I'm going to reload this. You have to reload, by the way, when people provide comment feedback, that it synchronizes. And this is a great feature because it comes straight into your editor. You don't have to go hunting for the comments, and they will be at the exact timestamp where the person made the comment selection. Look at this. You have the comments showing on the timeline at the exact moment. If you click on them, it takes you right there, and it shows the exact selection that the commenter made. You can see their comment, you can respond or mention them, so you can have a discussion with your client about this. And when you're done fixing it, you can press here to say mark as resolved. This is very similar to the functionality that Riverside already has inside here for fixing fluff, for adding your own comments right in here and keeping track of stuff. But this one is external and requires no downloads, no exports, nothing. You're both working on your same edit here in real time almost. So now here's another cool feature. If you're sending this to multiple people, obviously they will be loading it in their own browsers at, different sessions, different people. So I'm going to go to another incognito window and do another comment from another hypothetical client. And now let's make another selection somewhere. I want to comment on something else right here. Click the comment here, and again, it's asking for the name because this is a new window, new session. And let's say here, John, and click Start Commenting. A comment from John, click Comment, and we are done here. You see the John label shows up. And by the way, other commenters can also see previous comments submitted by other people too. So they can tell who's been commenting on stuff. So no duplications here. And now go back to the editor, reload, and here we are, a complete video review platform right inside of Riverside, integrated right there. You see John has his label down there with a different color, different name. Chris still has the comments in here, and I can make all the changes directly on my edit. No files exported. Complete new feature that you can pay subscriptions for in other places. It's completely integrated into Riverside, and it works straight out of the box. And all the feedback in real time goes into the different views for your editor, for your reviewers. Thank you for watching, and thank you to Riverside for sponsoring this video. I hope you found this useful. If you have, leave a comment down below, give it a like, and also, if you have any questions, feel free to put them down in the comments as well, and I will be happy to make a video about it. Thank you again, and see you next time.